Hello, I'm here at 1169 Southeast Alika in Hillsboro area, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this wonderful townhome. Just approaching the home, you have this little area out here with the wrought iron fencing. Lovely little common area, large windows, and I'll take you inside. It's got great laminate floors, carpeting. This is the living room. Lots of light. Walk into the kitchen with the granite countertops. Lots of space for storage and a great pantry. The dining area. Lots of light with all these great windows. Again, the living room. And then you have a half bath here on the main. Great windows again. Then you come to a 2-car garage. And then all the bedrooms are upstairs. Take you up the stairs here. There's a great area here at the top for like an office, desk. This is a great room here, lots of light, vaulted ceilings, and a great walk-in closet. There's a hall bathroom here. It's a full bath. Then out here to this common area again. Lots of closet space everywhere. Great linen closet right here. And then an additional bedroom. Again, really large windows everywhere at this house. The washer and dryer is included with this townhome. Lots of space again in the laundry. And then we're going to walk right into the master. Great size master bedroom with his and her sink, full shower, and then a really large walk-in closet. If you're interested in renting this home or you'd like a private showing, please go to rentportlandhomes.com.